Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a reset button in a fillable PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my fillable PDF file and type anything weird here and see this text. And I'll remove all of these text, this fillable box, just one click. Now click on this form option and here you will find this OK button. Click here. Now do your box and press right button, select properties dialog box, go appearance option. Here I will change this style and thickness and make it thick, and border color choose this one, and fill color also choose this one, and text color and choose it white. Now select option, type your reset button name, reset form. Now go action option and click on this box, and here you will find this set a form option. Click here. Now select here add, and you can select a specific fillable field and select all. You can exclude if you want, and so on. Now select OK and close. Select hand option and see this. All of this text now I'll remove just one click, and click on this reset form button and see this. All the text now and from now fully reset, and see this. Now say reset form. Yeah, this is in this way you can create reset button in your fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.